Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if this is your first time stopping by, and if it's not, welcome back. I'm Omi and this is Fit Life with Omi. So first, I'm going to try to keep this video to under 10 minutes because one, no one likes long videos, and two, I'm fighting against sunlight here, so let's just get to it. I love shoes. That's it. Okay. I love shoes and I love watching the unboxing videos. So I wanted to do one of my own. And in today's video, I'm doing the unboxing. I'll also do a try on of the Dolce Gabbana Sorrento sneakers. So this sneaker came out in 2018. I just grabbed a pair this year. It wasn't something that I was looking for, but just through browsing websites and doing a lot of online shopping, I came across these ones and I love them. So if you like designer shoes, I think this is one that you probably will find pretty nice to wear. It's an easy shoe to wear. It has a variety of colors. I'm going to show the black and white, but they come in many other colors like red, pink, white, and there's even this purple. So plenty to choose from. Let's just get right to it. I am going to show you the unboxing. So it comes in it was FedEx in a cardboard box. I already took these out. I've worn these before, so we can skip over that and just get right to the actual box that the shoe is in. So the first thing that you'll notice is that it is a gorgeous box. The Dolce & Gabbana box has this graffiti pattern to it. It has cute little messages like love, love forever, love Dolce, falling in love with you, let me love you, just all types of stuff that a girl would like, right? On the box, there's also the Dolce & Gabbana print, and I'll show some close-ups of this with the Dolce & Gabbana label, and you can't see it, but it has like a tag texture to it, the same type of tag that you would have in the inside of a shirt. It has that tag texture on the box. Okay, so inside the box, I've already taken them out, of course, but you'll have your dust bag, the Dolce & Gabbana dust bag, which you'll always want to keep your shoes in to protect them over the life of the shoe, and the Dolce & Gabbana shoe. So just keep in mind that as you're seeing it, it looks like the shoe is sort of caving, but there is a lot of elasticity in this shoe. The band that comes across the heel of the shoe is very elastic and snug, and I tell you, it'll really conform to the shape of your foot. So you'll notice that elasticity also throughout the shoe. So you really can't see the stretch too much, but it is a very stretchy shoe. You have in the back your Dolce & Gabbana pull tab. I think one of the coolest parts of this shoe is the block heel. It's a very geometric look with squares and this triangular shape, and then on the bottom you see these also very textured. So very interesting shoe. So I think with the combination of all of that texture that's going on and shape that's going on with the heel, the rest of the shoe is just this perfect amount of simplicity. You have the Dolce going down one shoe, the front of the shoe where the laces would be, but this is not a laced shoe, and you have the Gabbana going down the other. So I think that's also a cool look. You see a lot of designer shoes that have the name on both shoes, but having that on one shoe and the Gabbana on the other shoe, I think is a nice look to it. So this is the shoe. I purchased mine in a size 40. I typically wear a size 9 or 9.5, and when I tried this shoe on, it was true to size, and I can't emphasize that more because that is my challenge with shoes that are not made in the US. I honestly was very pessimistic about it. I really wanted this shoe to work out, but when I opened the box of the shoe, I was expecting that just give me the return label now. These are going back. They never fit. So whether I've tried on certain Fendi shoes or Louboutin, it just doesn't line up with the US sizes, and it's always a challenge for me to figure out which one is going to work for my shoe size. So if you wear a size 9, if you're on the 9 and a 9.5 size, I would say the 40 is going to work for you. If you're more of the 8.5 shoe, where you can also sometimes get into a 9 depending on what shoe it is, then you want to go down to a 39. But when I tried this shoe on and got that perfect fit, I swear I almost did a backflip. I was so excited because shoes just never fit me, and these ones fit perfectly. So my review of the shoe is a 10. I love these shoes. They are casual enough to go with leggings and a white tee. I'm wearing a black cat suit, and I'll try these shoes on with this just to show you how dressed down it can be. And you probably could even wear it with a cute little short black dress in the summertime to give it more of a dressed up feel. There's probably a lot that you can do with it in terms of your hair and jewelry and your makeup to make this as casual as you want it to be, but even a little bit more dressed up. So I love this shoe, but let's try it on and see how it fits. I'm wearing the Dolce Gabanna Sorrento sneaker in black and white. It is a very comfortable and easy to wear shoe, and even as a designer shoe, it has a nice sporty look to make a casual outfit pop. This is a size 40. I typically wear a 9 to 9.5 in women's. Even with the block heel, you see that chunky and textured look on the sole. It's a very lightweight shoe and true to size. I can't say how it will last in terms of durability because it's a new sneaker, but I personally would not wear it as an everyday shoe. This is something that I would go to if I just want to spice up an outfit. But overall, I give this a high score for comfort and style. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!